everyone and welcome to another video. If you're new here, ni hao, I'm Lizzie and I bought a house in China. About a month ago, we started with the process. The paperwork's done. I've been moving in during the past 2 weeks and I'm finally ready to show you guys. So if you missed it, a few months ago, I posted a video where I gave you guys like 6 options to choose from and guess which one I'm going to buy. Well, today I'm going to show you. I'm very proud of the apartment. I mean, it's in a different country. I bought a house. Yeah, I'm very proud of it. So I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's just get right into it. Oh, and quickly subscribe. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by Chinese New Year, which is end of January. So let's go, Jayo. Before I show you my living room and everything, we're going to start at the beginning so you know where I live, how it feels to visit me here in China. So here you get out of the lift. We have 12 floors here and one lift for 2 families. Usually one lift, like the previous was like 2 lifts for 11 families. So this just shows you how nice it is. I think in my 3 weeks of living here, I only made people in the lift 2 times. 2 times. Just very quiet. I love it. So here you get out of the lift. That's my apartment. Here it's a shoe cupboard I bought. I built it, by the way. Yes, I built it. I'm very proud of myself. It's for the shoes. It looks nice. I love it. Makes everything just look a little bit more neat. And then here we go. Welcome to my apartment, everyone. This is my living room. By the way, please check the before picture and look at how it looks now. I'm very proud, very proud. As you can see, there are like this cupboard, the table that the Fandong, the previous owner of the house, he left it here. And also this is not really a second-hand house because our previous owner, where I bought the house from, he lives in Beijing and he was here. He bought it back in 2018 and he's only been here twice. Like literally now when I was paying for the electricity and stuff that he already put in, he only used like 6 RMB for like 5 years of living here. So it's kind of brand new, so I love it. So yes, this is the living room. Here obviously bought some carpets. It's winter, so got some fluffy things here. Football as always on the TV, NFL. I love American football. I just bought this like a week ago. I love it. I can read here in the winter. It's so perfect. You think the sun is bothering me, but it's not. It's so nice to lie here, especially because it's a little bit cold and I can just read here, drink my coffee and just relax in the morning. And it is just so comfortable. By the way, it was like 300 RMB. Amazing. But yeah, let's look at the view a little bit. Let's get this up. Oh, I'm still figuring this out. Oh, there we go. It's a very, very quiet community. Very beautiful. I live in a Vanke community. So Vanke is very famous here in China. It's amazing quality of things. So I really love it. As you guys can see, it's very traditional actually, right? Can you see with the lights? I really love it. So if you missed the previous video, in the end, this place was like 1 million RMB, but I got it down to 998,000 RMB. So that's how much I paid for this house. Obviously, I didn't pay everything one time. I'm not Elon Musk or whatever rich person lives out there. No. Each month I'm paying around 3,500 RMB, which I think is great because before I anyway paid like 2,200 RMB, right? And now it's just my own place and I can either, so I have a few plans. Obviously, I don't know what the future holds. I'm also not nervous about it because right now I love my life in China. I don't plan to move, but if I maybe paid off the house within a few years, you know, I can pay a little bit more. Then I have people that can come and rent this place. I can get an extra income each month, or I'm pretty sure the prices will go back up and this apartment will sell for about 1.4, maybe 1.5 million RMB in the future. So I can make a good profit there. It's like an investment. So I have a few plans because there's a good school nearby and they're building a mall, but I'll show you guys that later. So this is my living room and then let's move to the rooms. So here is the queen's bedroom. Look, so beautiful. I absolutely love this dark brown and the quality is so good. And I just thought the white will look so nice with that. So yeah, very comfortable. Oh, and this is the first time ever I could just sleep on a bed without having to buy a softener, because in China the beds are kind of hard, but this bed is just perfect. I'm sleeping like a queen. I really am. So that's amazing. I don't even have to get a softener. And then here's a door, which is perfect. It's dark if I close those curtains, and just to sleep at night if I do want, because this is my washing room. I can hang my clothes. It has the hang things. I can pull it down. Washing machine was already here, so very thankful for that. And then again, another beautiful view. I love the sunshine coming through here, especially because like the clothes dry faster, right? But yeah, I don't know in other countries if you guys have this, but let me just show you. So here you just roll this thing and then the clothes are going down and up. So that's how that thing works. Okay, so this is my bedroom. Again, another beautiful light over here. I'm telling you guys, it's just a different feeling when it's your own house. Because yes, I live in a different country, but this is also my first ever house, you know. So yeah. My fridge, people. Again, if you followed me for a year or so, you know every single apartment I've ever lived in only had a mini fridge. So I finally have a big fridge to store and just buy more frozen things. I'm so happy about that. Okay, beautiful kitchen, much more spacious than the previous apartment I rented, right? So yeah, I cooked some Chinese food yesterday, so just some leftovers. Gonna probably eat for dinner tonight. Oh, my first ever rice cooker, by the way. I never owned a rice cooker, but it is amazing. Nice view outside. The thing I love about this is all the cupboards. Like, it doesn't have to be messy outside. Like all my spices, literally everything can be in here. I don't need to even buy an extra small rack here to put things on. Everything can just be in the cupboard and it just looks neat, right? So I absolutely love that. Really fancy, actually. The good quality on this. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but yeah. And then here, before we go into the bathroom, this is where I do my makeup, brush my teeth, everything. Again, a lot of space to put things. Then here we got the bathroom. Can you guys see this is a fancy toilet? Now, a lot of you think, ooh, fancy toilet, Lizzie. No, this toilet freaks me out. It flushes for like 10 minutes. I need to press these buttons, and it's all in Chinese, so I'm still figuring it out. But sometimes I'm on the toilet, also has a warm seat, which is amazing, I do agree. But then I press a button and then choop, the water splashes up and I'm like, oh. So yeah, I'm still getting used to that. Definitely had a few funny moments that I wish I could share with you guys, but it's a little bit too much information. But yeah, also in China, it's very, very normal and common for the shower and toilet to be like together, like there's no separation. So I hate that. So I bought this curtain because I don't like to just let there be water everywhere, right? So I'm very happy. I got this about 3 days ago. Look there, that doesn't look that nice, right? But I don't know how to like fix it nicely, and the glue they gave wasn't that good. So yeah. And now we're going into the room that I spend the most time, my office. I got an office room. How fancy does that sound? I brought this table from my old apartment that I rented, and I got a couch. This is also a sleeper couch for if people come to visit. Ah, how nice. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I feel kind of cool, kind of good with all this. But yeah, it's really nice. And there's a highway. I don't know if you guys can see. That's a highway. And people were like, oh, Lizzie, are you sure it's next to a highway? Can you guys hear? It's very quiet. It doesn't bother me at all. These windows are like really thick because I can't hear the highway at all. Even at night when I'm working 5-6 p.m. at night and there's traffic, I can't hear anything. So yeah, I really love it. This room even smells new still. I don't think that previous guy ever even used this room. Like there was nothing in here. And of course more cupboards, because you know I am a woman. I have a lot of space. All these cupboards are full. But yeah, this is where all the work gets done, like my videos and stuff, and where I edit my videos and work. I plan on making more live videos, I think, because so many people are like, oh Lizzie, you can edit and it's live. And okay, well, I'm going to start making live videos, so then I can't edit, right? And you literally see the truth, and it's kind of like you enjoying the time with me at night or during the day, but mostly will be at night, right? Because during the day we work. So let me know if you guys are going to be interested in lives. What would you like to see, like, me make a live about? That would be kind of interesting, right? But yeah, this is the house. I think I saw a few comments like in different countries, like in the UK, you can't even buy like a garden for this price. And someone said somewhere in like Manchester, I think, they said you can't even buy a nice bathtub for this price. So that's just hilarious. But yes, it is true. The prices went down a lot in China. That's why I thought, you know, I'm anyways gonna stay in China for quite some time, forever maybe, I don't know. And I'm very confident that the prices are going to go back up again and rise. Oh, talk about that. Sorry guys, I didn't even show you. They're going to build a mall over here, as you guys can see. So this green here in front of us, they are building a mall here. They did stop the construction. I think something happened. I don't know if they went bankrupt or not, but I saw like a month ago when we were starting looking for apartments, they started building again. So that is great, especially if I want to sell this apartment in a few years. That mall right there is going to boost the price up so much, so I'm excited for that. And then I don't know if you guys can see behind that green, there are some buildings. You see those with like the brown roofs. They went bankrupt. I don't know if it's an Evergrande building. I really don't know that much, but they went bankrupt as well. And again, last night actually, when I was driving back from work, I saw that there are some lights on because they already finished building it. Like, it was ready to move in, and then I think like the last part probably went bankrupt. So maybe someone took it over, I'm not sure, but I saw a lot of lights were on last night. So I really think they are starting to move in there or finishing some apartments, and people are going to buy there. So yes, I think a lot of people lost a lot of money with Evergrande going bankrupt. But again, I told you guys a few months ago, China will definitely come back up. I mean, everyone struggled after COVID. And yes, China has a lot of people, but also a lot of open apartments. But the government always has a plan here. And all I can talk about is my area. And I can see that my area is definitely going up. And just, yeah, the prices are going back up, and it's getting back to normal, really. Also, the one thing I want to just finish off with is China is the most convenient country I've ever heard of. Like, most of the things that I bought, they literally brought it to the door. Like the sleeper couch and stuff, they just brought it in. They even asked to help us if they wanted to. We didn't have to go down to get the packages, because I mean, in China you online shop like crazy, right? And 11/11 is coming soon. That's like the biggest sale here in China. While I'm looking outside, I want to show you guys that Shishan. That's a beautiful mountain with Diansha Lake. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna call an IE to wash my windows outside, because I don't want to risk my life to like hang out and like wash it, and they have some special equipment. So yeah, but that was my apartment tour, people. As I said, the price was good. Like I said, they took the price down a little bit. I'm very happy with that, and I'm just really proud of myself. So yeah, from literally coming to China for a year, people, coming to China for a year, now I have a house and a car in China. It blows my mind. Life can just change so quickly, and I will be forever grateful for China and all the opportunities, especially with my YouTube channel. So it's actually just an honor. Of course, it's weird because I don't know how many people are going to watch this video. Like, I bring so many people into my apartment and show them my house, but I'm just so thankful for you guys watching my videos and getting it out there, because it allows me to show you guys more. It brings so many opportunities into my life to make videos and show the world, especially those who are scared to come to China or don't have the opportunity to come to China, that I can show you guys the life here in China and how everything works. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see any other video, please let me know down in the comments below. I'll really appreciate that. And remember to subscribe to the channel. We gotta hit that 100 by Chinese New Year, okay? That is the goal. So let's do it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, thanks for watching until the end. You guys are amazing. From my apartment. I'm not renting it. I bought it from my apartment here in China. You guys have an amazing day. Bye.